How to book your Crete hotel room by using mobile app. Let's move on. Welcome. How to book your Crete hotel room by using mobile app. First, you have to install this Crete Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store by clicking the link below this video here at the description part. The link will look like this. Or you can pause this video and scan the following QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install the Crete Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Okay. After you have installed this Crete Travel Tour Guide mobile app, please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Crete hotel room fast and easily before you travel to Crete for vacation and holidays with your family and friends. Okay, now let's go on. Okay, now when you go to Google Play Store, okay, you install this Crete Travel Tour Guide mobile app. After you have installed this Crete Travel Tour Guide mobile app, click on or tap on this open button here to open this Travel to Crete mobile app. Okay, then look for the first row in the middle here, this icon, hotel booking, showing hotel booking, click on it or tap on it. Then it will bring you to the hotel booking platform. Okay, this is the hotel booking page. You can search a hotel in Crete by filling your check-in date and check-out date. Or you can browse through the page. Okay, let me enlarge the screen for easy viewing. Okay, yeah. On the left hand side of this page, showing you to input check-in date and check-out date and the rooms for how many person, and then you can click on search. Okay, or you can browse through this page. Okay, on the right hand side here, you can display the popular Crete hotels. Okay, and you can browse through the list, look at the star rating, the score point, the review, the description of each hotel, and also browse through the photo or picture of each hotel. Okay, here showing all 9,731 hotels in Crete. Okay, let me show you an example. Let's say after I browse through the hotel list, then for example, let's say I want to book this hotel room or view deal for this hotel. I will tap on or click on view deal, and then it will redirect me to this page that describe about Crete Maris Beach Hotel, and I can browse through the hotel picture here. Wow, nice, beautiful hotel room. And their surroundings very nice with swimming pool and nearby the seaside beach. Here showing you the description and introduction of this hotel. Crete Maris Beach Resort. Point is super 9.1, super dining, love beach, wonderful star. This hotel reviewed by 5,659 guest review. Okay, scroll down, look at the hotel feature by general activities, services, internet check-in, check-out time. Okay, you can look at the rating summary here. Wow, it's mostly above 9 bucks, and mostly who stay here, families are most popular. Okay, then let's scroll down. And then you can, let's say I want to reserve or book this hotel, then I have to input the travel dates, the check-in date and check-out date. Let's select the date and the month and then the day. Third of March to 4th of March. Let's say I limit room for 2 adults. Then I tap on or click on check availability and prices to book this hotel room. Now here show me further that telling me that no worry, because it said we didn't find any prices for March 3 to March 4 for 2 adults. So I have to choose a new travel date. Okay, let's click on it. and then I tap on April. Yeah. Okay, let me tap on check availability and prices, and then it's showing me. Oh yeah, there is availability here. And right inside, this is the price. The staying for one night in this hotel from a different booking platform, different booking provider with a different types of room and their prices. I can even tap on this view 10 more deals to show the list of this hotel room booking provider. Let's say I want to book this hotel. Okay, I just show you a demonstration. Let's say I select booking.com, I tap on new deal, and it will redirect me to the booking.com provider. I can click on this, go to the booking.com, and it will redirect me to the booking.com page or website. Okay, now this is the first hotel that I want to reserve the hotel room. I tap on it, and then I will have to input the hotel room booking details. Now at the top here showing the photo or picture of surrounding of the hotel, showing the seaside, the beach, the swimming pool, nice scenery of this hotel. Okay. And below here showing the introduction of the hotel and their activities and entertainment available and their facility and some reviews here. Okay, here included set your filter, prefers included, 2 bed, how many beds that I want. Okay, then let's say I want this room, let's say I want prefers included. Okay, and then I want and then I want twin bed, I want full bed. Okay, then let's say I agree this price, this picture of the hotel, and I tap on reserve the hotel room. Okay, select number of guests selected on. Next step, you're almost done actually. And then it will redirect me to another page for me to look at the hotel booking room details and their prices. Now for this page, I have to, as a hotel booking room, I have to enter my personal details. Let's say for demonstration, I input my name here, Alex King, and input or fill in my email address here, Alex King, email.com. Okay, now, and then how I'm the main guest, my country origin, and my contact phone number for demonstration, this one. And then here showing me the need more reason to stay because family is pocket, clean, perfect location, teachers prefers. And then this is my hotel room booking information. Okay, I leave it blank. At your arrival time, optional. I don't know. Are you traveling to forward? Yes or no. Also optional. Leave it blank. And for this field, I have to input if I have any special request, but it is optional. Let me leave it blank. Then I tap on go to the final step of this hotel room booking. Okay, now then I have to input my payment method. I have to input a payment method through credit card or debit card. Okay, I have to input my credit card, debit card number, the credit card and debit card holder name, and the expiration date of my credit card. Okay, then I just this one leave it blank. Then I tap on. Once finished input my credit card payment details, then I just have to tap on complete my booking. Because here for demonstration, I don't input my credit card information here. But after you have fully finished, fill up your credit card information, just tap on complete my booking. Then the system will email the hotel room booking information to the email given just now. Once you have done, click on done. Okay, you can check your email inbox to receive the hotel booking confirmation and details. Okay, then after exit, you can explore more on this travel to Crete Travel Tour Guide mobile app. You can tap on top places to explore more about the places that tourists will visit when they travel to Crete. Okay. At last, I repeat again, where to download this Crete Travel Tour Guide mobile app? Just go to Google Play Store. Okay, type in Crete Travel Tour Guide mobile app, tap on the link below this video part. The link look like this. Or you can pause this video, use your mobile phone QR code scanner to scan this QR code, and it will redirect you to the Google Play Store to install this Crete Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Okay, remember, thanks for watching. Remember to like this video, share this video with your friends who like traveling, and also click on the notification bell for me to notify you for my future video posting in this YouTube channel. Okay, thanks for watching. Happy traveling and happy hotel booking. Happy travel to Crete. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.